Good morning, Mr. Flanagan. I have a couple of questions for you about fire training.
Fire away, Patty.
How corporate fire training works. Can you tell me about that?
Well, yes, what it is we offer several different courses that they can take, and all they have to do is give us a call, tell us when they want the training, and then I work out the schedule and set up the actual training.
Sounds pretty easy. What are you going to teach us?
I'm going to teach you basically the A to Z's. We have certified trainers, or I do training myself as well, where we teach you what causes a fire, the different classes of fire, the agents that you have in your workplace. We also talk about the 3 basic do's that you have to do to be successful in putting out the fire, 3 things you should never do. Then we talk about the most important 4-letter word in the world, and that's PASS. Tells you how to operate an extinguisher. We also talk about fire plans as well, which is an OSHA requirement.
Wow, that sounds great. What are the options for companies as far as different fire trainings that we have?
There are several different options, Patty. The first one is simulator training, okay, where we use a simulator and we do a classroom presentation, and then they have to put out a fire using a simulator. We also do classroom and live fire training as well, where we actually conduct live fires and they have to use the fire extinguisher to put them out. We also offer a train-to-trainer program which trains individuals to conduct the training at their own company. This is designed for larger companies with multiple shifts. It gives them more flexibility.
And why do companies need to do fire training, and how often?
According to OSHA standards 1910-1.157, training has to be conducted upon employment and annually thereafter on the familiarization level. But if you expect the employees to use a fire extinguisher in the event of a fire, they have to be trained on how to operate a fire extinguisher, and that means demonstrate the ability to. All of our fire training is OSHA compliant.
How long does the fire training usually take?
Fire training can take between an hour and 15 minutes.
After the training is over, what's next?
When training is completed, we always ask for a type list of names. We complete training certificates, so every employee that goes through the training and the company gets a training certificate saying they were trained, and it's dated, so you know when the expiration date. The following year, we will contact you and let you know that your time's coming up to have the training again.
That sounds like everything I need to know. Thanks, Terry.
You're welcome.